I know that a lot of you watching this video would like to begin the transition of your home to a smart home, but you're not quite sure where to start. In today's video, I'll give you the easy recipe to begin your smart home. Stay tuned to discover the 3 basic steps that will help you achieve the convenience and the security which comes with a well-connected smart home ecosystem. That's up next. Hello and welcome. My name is Bud, and on this channel it is my passion to share my knowledge about smart home automation. While other channels compare the latest smart home products, my channel shows you how to integrate those smart home products into your smart home ecosystem. If this sort of content appeals to you, then take a moment to hit that subscribe button and also remember to click on that notification bell. Let's get started with today's content. As I mentioned earlier, a lot of you probably want to start a smart home, but you're pretty unsure where to begin. This brings me to step 1. If you want to have a good and reliable smart home ecosystem, then you have to start with an excellent smart home brain. Therefore, step 1 is pretty straightforward. You must select the best smart home brain for your ecosystem. If you want the best brain, or rather the best home hub on the market, then you must consider the Samsung SmartThings hub. You can't find a hub that handles more types of devices than the SmartThings hub. The SmartThings hub has the capability to monitor and control a vast array of device protocols to include Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Z-Wave, and even Bluetooth. The hub's app, which installs on your iOS or Android smartphone, allows you to easily monitor and control your devices from anywhere in the world. The hub is the most essential component for any smart home. The hub integrates all your devices together, enabling them to talk and interact so that you can seamlessly control and protect your smart home. As an example, my smart hub automatically locks and arms our home when the last family member departs. It also checks to determine if the garage door is still open. If it is, it closes the door. It then monitors the home's motion and door sensors. If it detects unacceptable activity, it can send alerts, activate alarms, turn on lights, etc. I think you get the idea. It is easy and inexpensive to get started with a basic SmartThings system. I recommend starting with the SmartThings version 2 home monitoring kit. If you prefer to get the newest wireless hub, you can purchase the version 3 SmartThings hub for around $70. You can then add the specific detection devices needed for your specific smart home applications. Personally, I decided to start with the version 2 smart home monitoring kit. This monitoring kit comes with the version 2 hub. The version 2 hub connects with an Ethernet cable to your home router. This is opposed to connecting wirelessly, as is the case with the version 3 hub. The SmartThings home monitoring kit comes with many of the basic devices needed to get you started. The kit costs around $140 and comes with all you see here. The hub is the system's brain. You get a single motion sensor which can alert you of unexpected activity while you're away. It can also be set up to trigger lights when you enter a room. The 2 multi-purpose sensor, which as the name suggests, they can be used for a multitude of functions. They are usually used to sense when doors are opened or closed. They may also be used as temperature, vibration, and tilt sensors. The SmartThings outlet that comes in the kit allows you to plug in a lamp or other small appliance so that these everyday products may become controlled as a smart device. As an example, I have several lamps and a dehumidifier on smart plugs. This permits me to control and automate these devices as part of my smart home ecosystem. After you accomplish step 1, which is purchasing and setting up your smart home ecosystem, you're now ready to begin step 2. Step 2 involves the integration of Amazon devices such as the Echo Dot and the Echo Show. The addition of Echo devices into your smart home ecosystem establishes or gives your system a voice. In other words, it gives SmartThings a voice to report what's happening in your smart home ecosystem. If you watched any of my smart home automation videos, you know that I demonstrate how to use Echo devices to play audible announcements whenever activity is sensed by porch motion, when my garage door is opened, or when it's time to take out the trash. Additionally, when you add Echo devices to your smart home ecosystem, you now have the ability to trigger devices or routines by giving your Echo a simple voice command. You've likely seen some of my videos where I demonstrate how to set up scenes. I use such scenes to do things like dimming my family lights and shutting off my dehumidifier so that we may be set to watch our favorite TV shows or movies. Once you have purchased and integrated several Amazon devices into your smart home ecosystem, you are now ready to take the third and most essential step to ensure the success of your smart home. Step number 3 is to subscribe to Bud's Home Automation channel so that you can benefit from the latest DIY home automation videos. I structure my videos to provide you with relevant and easy to follow instructions. A portion of the instruction that I offer is how to use the various compatible SmartThings apps so that you can further expand the capabilities of your smart home ecosystem. These apps allow you to further advance your smart home automation abilities. These advanced automation routines can result in a greater level of convenience and also a greater level of security. Some of the most recent apps that I have featured include the SmartThings Community Installer, Echo Speaks, and also Sharp Tools. Those are just to name a few. So now you have a surefire recipe on the proper way to begin your smart home ecosystem. Number 1, you want to start with a reliable SmartThings ecosystem. Number 2, add a voice to your system by using Echo devices. And number 3, tune in to Bud's Home Automations for easy instructions on how to automate your home. After you've established your basic smart home ecosystem, you likely want to expand with additional smart home devices so that you have further capabilities within your smart home system. Such devices include the following: leak sensors, smart locks, security sirens, Z-Wave smoke and CO detectors, and also cameras. If you'd like to review the devices that I have in my smart home setup, just reference the convenient product links below. These links will take you to the Amazon website where you can view cost information and also product reviews. I appreciate you joining me today. Please consider giving this video a like, as that will certainly help my channel. This signals to YouTube that this content might be useful to others, and it'll help them recommend and promote my channel. Also, please share this video with anybody that may also be grappling with how to start a smart home system. And certainly if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. And now that you have the surefire recipe to begin your automation project, don't hesitate, begin to automate. We'll see you next time.